Hey guys, in this video we'll be learning how to import DXF into PowerPoint editing. Alright, let's get started. Right, so firstly, make sure that you converted your DWG from your AutoCAD. You have to convert the file into a DXF format. Alright, so it will look something like that, DXF. Okay, so now let me show you how to import. So firstly, come to your customization function. Okay, you may choose any cabinets functions, all right, because we are going to use a superboard. All right, so I'll be using a kitchen cabinet function. Come to your special panels and then others. All right, just look for a superboard. Okay, put it on the floor. So right now I would like to resize my board. Okay, so my width I'll make it 2005 and my depth will be 2005 as well. Okay, so right now, next, click on the board, click on B. Okay, B, go into board selection mode. Alright, and then right click on the board, and then as you can see, PowerPoint editing, click on it. Alright, so you will be inside this page. Alright, and as you can see on top here, import CAD. So just click on your import CAD. Alright, and then look for the file. Okay, just open it. Alright, so this is how you import your DXF. Right, so you may move it. Okay, alright, so you can move it here. Okay, and then once you're done, just click on save. Okay, and then return. Okay, save and exit. So you will see your DXF being imported into your panel. Alright, so if let's say I want to put it on the wall, I can just click on X. Alright, I can click on X. Now key in 90 degrees. Alright, and then I click on Z to just drag it higher. And then I'll just place it on the wall. Alright, so this is how you import DXF into your PowerPoint editing. Alright, let me show you another one. Okay, so same thing, drag your superboard out. Okay, 2500. Okay, or maybe 2000 over here. Okay, so same thing, remember, click on your B, board selection mode, right click, go into your PowerPoint editing. Okay, on top here, import your CAD. Okay, so I'll try another DXF. Alright, so it's a welcome. Okay, so you may move it. Okay, place it according to where you want lah. Okay, once you're done, click on save. And then click on return, save and exit. Okay, so this is how you do it. Good luck trying, guys.